It's me, the English language teacher for grade 5 at Alibinabdulla Model for Boys Independent School. I'd like to present a remedial worksheet for the 4th report and hope all my students enjoy it and get benefit from it as well. First question. Space in watching drama. Interest, interests, interested, interesting. The correct answer is interested. Number 2. I like butterfly. It is the most beautiful bird, insect, animal, fish. The answer is insect. Question number 3. She always speaks English. Study, studies, studied, or studying. The correct answer is studies. Question number 4. I usually get up early, but this morning I space up at 9 o'clock. Get it, got, gotten, or got it. The answer is got. Question number 5. Ali drives space careful, carefully, carefully with one L, or careful with double L. The correct answer is carefully with double L. Question number 6. Space you like to come to our house for dinner? The choices are can, could, shall, or would. The correct answer is would. Question number 7. Space I help you? Can, could, would, or shall. The answer is can. Can I help you? Question number 8. Space I speak to Ali, please? Could, will, would, or should. The correct answer is could. Question number 9. Layla, I am not really interested in dramas. Maha, space watching cartoon. The choices are why don't we, or how about, would you, or let's. The correct answer is how about. Question number 10. Ahmad, when will you start working? Rashid, space I'll start later. I'm not sure. The choices are can, definitely, maybe, or would. The correct answer is maybe. Number 11. If there is a stop sign, it means you space stop. You can, you must, you mustn't, or you should. The correct answer is you must. Question number 12. I space swimming in the sea. It is interesting. I don't like, I dislike, or I hate. The correct answer is I like. Question number 13. I can't buy this bike. It is space expensive. It is too, so, too with double O, or enough. The correct answer is too expensive. Question number 14. Space you clean your room yesterday? Does, did, have, or has. The correct answer is did. Did you clean your room yesterday? Number 15. Yesterday I space a famous football player. I met, meet, meets, or mated. The answer is I met. Question number 16. It was snowing, but I space wearing a coat. I am not, or I isn't, weren't, or wasn't. The answer is wasn't. I wasn't wearing a coat. Number 17. What space at 6 o'clock yesterday? Were you doing? Were you do? Was you doing? Are you doing? The answer is were you doing. What were you doing at 6 o'clock yesterday? 18. I space when the telephone rang. Was cook? I'm cooking. Was cooking. Were cook. The answer is was cooking. I was cooking when the telephone rang. Number 19. While I was sleeping, someone spaced the window. Close, closed. Is it closed or was it closed? The answer is closed. Someone closed the window. 20. Yesterday I went to bed early. Space I was very sleepy. But, after, or, because. The answer is because. Yesterday I went to bed early because I was very sleepy. 21. I didn't know how to do my homework. Space I asked my brother to help me. So, because, but, or. The answer is so. I didn't know how to do my homework, so I asked my brother to help me. Question number 22. While I was playing in my room, space, I heard a loud noise. Just, next, suddenly, after. The answer is suddenly. While I was playing in my room, suddenly I heard a loud noise. 23. The sun, space, from the east. Rise, rising, rise, rises, raised. The answer is rises. 24. I like eating pizza. It is space delicious. The choices are feels, sounds, smells, tastes. The answer is tastes. Question number 25. Ahmed space excited in watching nature program. The choices are looks, look, looking, or looks. The answer is looks. A. Ahmed looks excited in watching nature program. 26. He visited London space 2012. In, on, off, or at. The answer is in. 27. We will go to the zoo space Friday. On, in, at, off. The answer is on. Question number 28. Our lessons start space 7:15 o'clock. In, on, at, off. The answer is at. Question number 28. Tomorrow evening, I space to my friend's party. Go, I'm going to, went, gone. The answer is I'm going to. 29. Space, do you play football? I play football every day. The choices are how long, how far, how often, how many. The answer is how often. How often do you play football? I play football every day. When space your exam start? 2 days from now. Are, is, does, will. The answer is will. When will your exam start? 2 days from now. 31. Space me your book. Give me your book, gives me your book, give me your book, or given me your book. The answer is give. 32. It space won't rain. The sun is shining. Could, may, might, or definitely. The answer is definitely. 33. Ahmed speaks more space than Ali. Politely, polite, politely, or politer. The answer is polite. 34. Hamad is space than Rashid. Strong, strongest, stronger, more strong. The answer is stronger. 35. We usually go on space picnic. A, an, the, at. The answer is a. 36. I bought space dozen of flowers. A, or B, an, C, the, or D, of. The answer is a. I bought a dozen of flowers. 37. He sometimes reads stories, space, stories and magazines. A, an, the, zero. The answer is zero. We don't have to put anything before stories and magazines. 38. Dina, will our class begin soon? Gada, I'm not sure. I think Fatima has got a watch. Space you ask here. Why don't? When did? How could? Why mustn't? The answer is why don't? 38. Dina. 39. Nora hurts her foot last week, but her foot space better now. Feels, or falls. The answer is feels. 39. Nora hurt her foot last week, but her foot space better now. Feels, falls. The answer is feels. 40. Ahmed, space we stay in the room. Mr. Nasser, no, you may go outside. Should, must, wanted to, have to. The correct answer is should. The last question, 41. Every day he writes something in his. The choices are diary, dinosaur, distance, discover. The answer is diary. This is the end. That's all about the remedial worksheet for the fourth report. Hope my student all find it useful, interesting, and get benefit from it as well. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.